Ghana adishimamba takradze nyiwiaze na mfanza na nyina anapei mama obi biara chi meja se wonjem abroad mama wan akwaba zeba ideas GH television secondary takrade online station obopoi mu owo takradze ana anapei mafa egwano meze ama munua besiaba ama boduwa dwumezi wa atunzin nsamsem oye ebenazin se ya atunzin nsamsem ma otare nye de nsama orutwegu anada nsama orokodo wo secondary takradze hiara henmanimu Ghana na wiaze na fanza na nyina ana yetena egwedu na yedzebro na yedam dwumezi bro joda zikesi fida biara wo ideas GH TV say you can say ehwe dwumezi live ewo Facebook ehwe dwumezi live ewo Facebook and pay na de biara no ihyiama metena ego no maya mezema masista zamaye no and pay mayenka hwe na yemfa yan asampa kanea no osende may the God of hope fill you with joy and peace as you trust in him so that you overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. You Paul no otrawe os come Roman 15 chapter 15 verse 13 osende may the God of hope fill you with joy and peace as you trust in him so that you overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Asamno ma orishema inde awa ezo hu to irazino don anade enya arehwemu irazino mu no irazo so sebie omo enyidado na omo enyidado a owo sunsum konkro no mu nti Ghana nyinaaze yewo enyisum na jezide yese yenre ahye irazimo no irazin yakoponara obohwe na waje hien efi dam mbusa wa ba wiaze yimu no damara na mrisho nkra no so a also those who wish to achieve greatness never seek permission nipa wo enyisum de wo pada wo yeye wo abrabom no anada wo kosoro no wom hia permission biara wo bisa eyi dam kwanyen na yebefodo na menyu ahye dwumezi no ase anepe momo akwa baba ideas GATV ma manda na mo ho na mombra sesia momba sa dwumezi no mofambra asaba sama anepe
work six aye mpobwa so to desert lufes lipes na de say pem works na da eboyi manuel yo into blanket Kingsman Classic Shoes 1 for Facebook am product ya ebun pem location so am we agree me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shoes 1
mun use the video Kingsman Classic Shoes on and pay yen dwumezi no yere hyasa ende mesa aka mpanyifo benu bi wo me studio ha ensama ende and pay yebati bi oman panyin wa left band on the lockdown wo nkranyu kumase baby a oyma do no nti menyi panyifo bo twetwe nkomo na ya hwe the pros and cons are owum the advantages and the disadvantages owum ana na oye there nana adu dankwa the first gentleman of this country why is them dwumeyi a na IMF loan was the ama oman Ghana no so kwana yehwa ye be discuss na ya hwe kwana oye de aban ni Ghana nyina yehwe na yetum na ye use sika no na ma oti biara so ya hwe na ye zabro anepei menchere ho kra no mamunda mempanyufo ebie na menye won bodetwe nkomo no ezi na yentum na yenhye yendwumezi na asamreka obi ode aha ye ideas GHTV eme nyi kojo azanyame beye mafa igwa no ama munua ama weduwa etiene ne chikakra sentire nye de ne papa onye ne ba wiase papai ada ne benkumodo nti bebia ama bodo obia no yesende onhyezen na nyankopon so oncheche ne re na yer kasei mpanyifa ebien anepe mensa aka hon onye minyimfado wa ha nye owura oberima ba Opari Regional Communication Team member New Patriotic Party yera akwaba anepe
aminu amejoso
apome
twediam adaro ma elda so hirae
ba oberima ba Opari na otena minyimfado yi wa hwe ni coat fefefew damara na ne nchene mu no so ne nyimfado mreka maka de me benkum do yera Nicholas Nyanki NDC secretary Kwesimin team constituency na member of regional communication team Open akwaba.
Nya.
Ezi wo time no do basa.
Brother, the man no dey na ye.
Papa. Akwaba. Enti mpanyifo benu na anepe menye won botwetwe enkombo no. Ma otinye dem. Beye adepen ebaasa bi abesene ko. Na oman panyin nana adanko akofado. Onye Ghana manyina abakasai na okire de. Yereba no bra osima orokwan. Oda otum na mbiambia bi a yereba no orma no mudo wo hon. Otutum anade lock down na nyipa nyinara kahye dem na oja essential workers today advantage may for today doctor fo nyi a nurse fo nyi a police fo nyi hona wakaka ho na ye gumgumguma na oman panyinara so wasan ababiu na orchim de onye ayarsa oye Ghana health impanyinfo no bi ehyehyia anyon atwetwe nkombo ahoro wa wehu de sabio lockdown no oyeso na so nefa baby oho rebraga na fo kankan wona won ye edwuma on ye aban edwuma no nti de oye oman panyini odwe ne manfo won ho ne da minti we sia botar ni impanyinfo atene fom aye nhyehyei ehu de se ojai another lift band na obotum na wa akomboa azama nyipa pi senti na binum wonze no why hand to mouth dem be sa akode kan no why hand to mouth edwuma no tisa anapa bi oxford ko bo ha da ansa na woni bibi na wedi eyina mpanyufo ebieni wa abaka mensei owura Nicholas Nyanke abaka mensei na obarima ba opare abaka mensei mesemare nchare ho kra hwan why mpanyufo asabi wo abanimu na wonyi wahimzi ewo Ghana amembu yimu menyi mpanyufo nkasa na yentoto hona no yebisa hon na wonsa so wen educate en kakra was a wesi hu nti ozikan no moko Major Nicholas Nyanke ho na maman akwa babiewu na mebisa nde yera ana lockdown ya oman panyini wa amado ode fidui wa adwenkyere wo ho onyi den ehun de oye anade oye so a ebe na azi ntina oye onye so a ebe na azi ntina onye nti panyin mama akwa babiewu owura Nicholas Nyanke
Nyanua medase papa memfa wo kase firu batane do na memfa nchiam mfa ma oye ahwefo a worhwe oye ideas GHTV a owo animanto mu ha mekire oye yana nkasa yana efie kuma takraze ebisa me de amampanyin ne mbra ozebei ofane de Ghana na afane na baby mekire oye nkranmanto mu nye oye mfimfin manto mu ne fa baby na oye kumase ma nkrofo mpokwe ma wonye nzema tede ma otin na mmom no ekwana wo befado a wo bopei wo bezi wonu dwuma na aden aban or wa hya wan kete yenka ihu de bibi nti na oye oman panyin oye damazi anade ozidam oye nhyehyei odziboto oye igwa anya na nkasa nso wofan ni bebin onam de sebil dam nsema wa aba mekire yarebe ya oman anade wiaziman hinara yerekun eduru nyi hoi ma oye de ye ya anyen na oman panyin oye inti mekade ibana odiben na oye in the right direction ne kwan papa do pa na oman panyin odiben odibei ama wa aboa osane de ehwe oye ikura yareba nara nkasa ofim obe na anu edu na wonyen ibana age poti na dam nkrofi woye ya nde wodinya oye nkunyim wo dam yareba yido tide mama nyimi nui iyo China burger ye tena ha sisi are
na eba time wa quarantine wozi
na yatete yan ntem na obiara kita oye ni nose mask na adi wara supo ekita wodi damara na woye mutua oye China burger obotum na waka ono onde chirin inchia a oye yan amamber ya bra oman panyin na abra na nhyiezi na ade wa bra na wasano so da aka ho de mbregu mremun yan hohoro yan nsa ho yan fa semina hohoro yan nsa ho won so a oten ase na nkoye oye papa eyi ni ya oye ni de obama etra oye yarban obetre ifi nyimpa kor akọ nyimpa pi hon na wa bre ase papa nti na oye no kwano da na yamfa ne de osha say with 2 weeks lockdown no the oye partial no the oye dapen oze ka ho mutua
nyono asaman
na ame ya weyi ho kakra ame ohom enye what has informed that decision the president obeyi efi ho
ono na olchem de onye adatrifo mpanyimfo bi awonye ma yere se dwuma nemu adidi nkombo ahwe
my brother memfa wodin senti nyi de enyim de yen aman panyin onye oye adatrifo ohia ndedara wo ne dwumem me kire oye the seat of presidency a day after another a day after we yi adzen ozefi oye the various 2 regency don na onye woni sie mutua nti na ye mu binum a ye follow dam eyi na ye fi de ebia onye woni pokọ kukue fa apam na enyem be ya adwene de president kan bibi there central we yin it is ni basis in or your on data one saka another on scientific basis. Inti na weyi scientific basis on ne mo hena on ntri na ye di dam nkomo because oyehu another oye nwanwa there me brother time I do oye 139 or let me even be charitable me kada 136 na oman penyin okade 122 oye greater Accra greater Kumasi enye oye tema na mfimfin man tom fa baby me kire kasoa 122 nanka oye data kra wo pen ehwa wo trace na ade wo hwe wona wo ba oman mu wo quarantine won na ade na wo san so wo ye surveillance okay so that obinum wo mbo wro oman mu na ade wo yen other entries in na ade papa but I am telling you once number wa kosoren nanka mususu de oye 4 regions na nka yenye bin another the other regions president will take another measure oye strict enough so that containment another kwana wo be fada wo be manage the spread and nanka president aye but I was shocked the way now yina oyi no so yenka ehu there the economic activity nso hia more so po there president narankasa na oman muni hinarankasa we needed revenue but say dam argument na na obinum so be catch onyimdifo be catch there that is why the emergency rapid credits from IMF me brother or trumpet me brother or trumpet papa ye fi IMF or the ka aban ni achievement ho me kire NPP aban one achievement ho there ye fi or ye busia bonim today nda me nyor kase mo hwe da me brother or kasa obesa no sa ka there ye fi IMF because it is on the table there ya call IMF for a credit mutia very good now the IMF ye call for policy credibility as NDC those days ya won kire because of the meltdown my brother Okahu papa he is a chief propenter tutubento ni papa the ye fi IMF today ya call IMF Inti eye politics this is an advice to you the eye politics oye the edwene kan ni hu there at the end of the day no
is there oye situation at hand intina yasa na yechiri akwa IMF
na minji ndi there sebil mahama call oye IMF na Ghana manunu mu aye dawa ma inti it is also a situation then Atimasa. Until we need to be careful when we are doing politics. We need to be careful.
Since I no left now, I left.
How Ozibebre or Mano, it is obvious. Sabi men and able to mean to one co school. Ewa. Or catch them there. Sisiara Mawaye, not there. A man paying is a waran kasa. Ame, Munwi, Yana yet to them how producers in Hinara. Yanan kasa yan destiny. Or that's a yanensa. Therefore, mo being can't show there. Yamuhia, waran kasa there, Yamuhia. Atimasa. Now, ma riska yes stand as a country. Riska yes stand as a nation. Riska yes stand as a society. Okay, as individual, as a corporate body, as a company. Inye there, Yaraban, obotum na wa trepi. Sir President, Oya Dwumadze, na odze measure be the bed there, nose marks. Compulsory. Now, who watches over the ordinary Ghanaian? Who watches over to see there at the end of the day? No kwar, at Karima, I shall nose mask. At a bicycle, I shall nose mask. At a office, I shall nose mask. Nazi. Juana Norhedo. This is the lacuna. This is the gap, President Wejatum. Until we are appealing to His Excellency, there he should bring the security forces, if not the police, to check. Okay. To check. Na one shade ubiara beshe because ne meja na odebe no e bono dembeye fi oye bolegado konkran.
E bona odem no oye beye fiti bolegado konkran. Owura Nicholas Nyanki enyo secretary for NDC constituency constituency na oye member of regional communication team no ono na metenenza no. Na obarima ba opare so wa regional communication team member. Na menyen say there MP Honorable Joseph Kuduso on your education or Shapa inti say or comments be by back na examon into obiara so wa ba no a higher ideas GHTV but more than there bohwe na a share na we yanko so enye bi na wa hwe obarama ba unua akasa what is your take lift a year o man panyin wa amadi wadwin kyerem no ehu de oye ana de bon dem tde wo brother ka de bon o dem be fiti tamalezer batakrazi
when you have that papa nyankopon inshira da inshira wadwumayefo a oni omugbo mu ye adwuma nyina se mososo mafato mu so se mbeboa amoman Ghana nkyekere na ayeden akodenim eni ntina mosomo de program ya ba se yenso yen kyekere de ekoso ewo man ni manim de ekoso ewo wiase afa na nyina nti nyankopon inshira mu papa
amen amen
na ye be sretive so se omo hwe no mo so ye de ehye ma nkofo nso ahunuma pa mo ye de mu di ni bi nti mo bom homodin pa
that's
se na wo kan na MP so se o hwe program na bu Joseph Kujo bom homodin ye papa minua coming back to topic I discuss. You see I ana ye me ya se bebia o man Ghana any wiase afa na nyina ya finding yourself into because ye nyina agitum say we are not in normal times just say yensusu da o man bia nu a eye budget say coronavirus bi benti no omo disike bi ato ho say eba na omo da omo da solve problem enti no o man bia pe kwan omo be fa so da de dia solve sa problem we o man Ghana yen so ye wo yen kwan a ye fa so a ye pese yen fan solve this pandemic de ekoso but minuanom NDC for is it stands be a omo take embra virus yi bae no bronika bi say inconsistency just say omo here straightforward and na say echna say I will come to whether a good and I say good but before I will come to that you see so we share propagandists like the NDC as I say we team expose omo hypocrisy and dishonesty omo deba program so nya atwomo omo dey discuss this coronavirus no we need to expose it minia the first a year Akufo-Addo eka say or the lockdown no social gathering yentimi ye yentimi ya ifro yentimi ye birthday party said social gathering ni ade no Akufo-Addo say wa ban no utie the NDC the omo kan me pa cho wo phone wa hazisi akọ Ghana web ko Ghana web sisi a NDC general secretary say the partial lockdown no social gathering sa nyemanyama Akufo-Addo ye ni nyina no eye niama all yes na be ya obewia 2020 elections ni ade ye nyina ye ne de aboye ho ban and make sure say je measures beto kwam a ade we enti mefa ye no mu no president say sisi me obi anko ba bia this is what I was looking for. This is Ghana web. Esi edun kete o say ban on public gathering, a plot to rig 2020 elections. Esi edun kete ye bani yese memo enko ba bia ntina dem mema yenye asori yenye say no general secretary of Minian ni party o belong o say ade Akufo-Addo person o ye no the year 2020 in just a lockdown in nyana meboa
engines da na bia no so why yen hwehwem bi ehu bibi nta na rekadam
enti chere to omo lockdown in ye because ade Akufo-Addo ye do the year 2020 abem now Akufo-Addo the lockdown by 2 weeks Osama extension 1 week ebe 3 weeks oni abedwafo omo di akotene ewo security experts, health experts, one expert economy because I hear about health can say health and it's about the economy, it's about the our security and all those kind of things. And the president consider all this on the table. President say enyumani ade egu sabi eduane kra yesi ade mankrofo ye che eduane na pa so obi ka so onya bi it is a ujani pakono no mo ko pen eduane ene mo ye better. President say okay sisi ano the partial lockdown here then ye infri wonu minua NDC o say enye in the right direction
wankade is not in the right direction us in the oye na so why there measures bia or there amanipanyin ni aban wo ye ansa na nche wa left ade no ano na 1 year
me pacho measures ben no tibidi tu dwa you see Mamensan kind the communication director of the NDC Sami Jemfi. At first, there was a lockdown.
Sure.
General Secretary said, Akufo-Addo person we are them. Now, there has been a lift on lockdown. The communication director for the NDC. I say, lifting of partial lockdown, political motivated decision.
I want to supernancha that my then.
Politically motivated disease. So in one breath, NDC say, lockdown, Akufo-Addo we are them. Meba. In another breath, ye lockdown. I say, wait there, to say political, but it's a Ghana for me, like a politics in Akufo-Addo here. You see, me can't say, Omu new ones on back commenting, but you see, politics in here, as I say, you're consistent. Oh, can't someone can't ask someone. Say, who be say, if you call the different angle. As what you mean, oh, first, let me say, net, but you see, I'm some arguments saying that here. It's, I don't know, Chelsea, and this is someone who can, you know, almost general. You see, President need the Inyama be bring a bed and ebe tuja. President say or consider 1 or 2 reasons, and then me know say Inyuma egu unim.
Sure.
Because for 3 weeks in here, omo year production omo tifie. Banks a crap. I know some banks are. Ebi ko
workers need be
ebi ni mu kwadwuma.
Even radio stations.
Radios are good. And you know we have to factor all this Inyama nyina. Sisi our president yen kasi ye free work lockdown president say ye free way district community regional sai hye ye de tudwa say yen di so yen hye face mask yen horo yen sa meme yen hye meme yen social gathering ni ade no si yen di so na say constituency bi na district bi na say region bi ebu sa amra no so there will be a curfew and a lockdown in that community
mopocho oberema per impocho sumona na come back to Mr. Nyanki na some na orakana there embrani yen bisono aban hyehyɛ na abana kasa waya nyimpa no bɛyɛ na wadi mbrano because enyim there as a black man or as a human yawo ade bi wɔ hɔ a sɛ anye de a push yen kakra ana empeso yen kakra na yɛ da wa ayɛ tena hɔ
bedua embra wɔ hɔ unim sɛ this coronavirus ni nti me no ka say aban atintim mbra de akɔ parliament ama parliament ayɛ agiatum nti ena me no ka say yesi mem ye social gathering
sure
ye be bon chenku e wo dan mu hanum sisi ani ye program bi a police service will come and arrest us because you boom brano so okofa efunu bi besi wo sisi ase wo ye na nkrofo start so mo ba ye na ase na ye no nipa do mo ba ho no mo a they will come and arrest you enti emra ye den eho enti sisi and ye ne say ye nyina ye ba educate ye ho say ye nche face mask ya mikuta mi die wa hai nso kuta wudie ye be hye ye ba ohoro ye nsa you see me baby ye dru no I don't want us to be blaming. The fight is not about Akufo-Addo neko. Ayo man Ghana yenko. Akufo-Addo so obe wini so on wini ye kan say the next election. Yes ye be free this pandemic aye den ye wo mu no. En ebe ma Ghana fo anya ahoden akoto abama no anaso mo ye de omo nto ma no. Enti enyama ene ayi de me ne wo kase. Aban I empower private sectors are omo akasa e produce PPEs Ghana ya na ye no me geno last yi utimi si o de doctor kakra gum no wa de wasi utimi ya de ahya wade no wa to so kama enu bi na mikute enti bi na me no kase aban no I empower ye kan say private sector ya kase ye produce PPEs bi aban say twasika to ho no mo a ena me no kase ye de ba be hye companies mu se na be ya omo gu no obetima ya de asa page omo mu bio Minu no ka IMF. Maminti me pacho. Maminti enu fro IMF me pacho. Just 30 seconds on that. On my Ghana, ye friend to the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Me pacho me ba mami yi sade we fro kan 170 me pacho. Ghana, ye sika yakwaji free IMF for no. Conditionalities bi anka ho. And mami kan susu bia say IMF na ye koye no. A world pandemic in Aden Abba. And IMF for Emma on my Ghana Sika without any interest. Me patches on Uncle Ridiano. Without any interest, without any you can say guidelines be said in this case there is a world pandemic COVID-19 and only two anamwa yakwaje se eskawe bisami nua ndisi ni otiese e pacho me ma me fa wanu si bisami nua ndisi otiese John Dramani Mahama time no edie nti e no no kwaje IMF sika bi na e wo coronavirus ana no me ba me pacho me bisa me question owi a on trend to owi obeyi ano na yenya coronavirus ana sebe na malaria atiesi o man Ghana na yehu ye ho ana HIV na atiesi o man Ghana na yehu ye no Gienti omuko IMF no omuko for policy credibility. Ye kase policy credibility a say what to mind okay John Dramani Mahama ka kire say ya we na mama na akadompe. Nurses training allowance omuntimi ntua, teachers training allowance omuntimi ntua. Truck betima na ye de kire nkwala de enya bi. Ni ye da dum som. Omo manage economy na to say o man ginsem eno hu no mo de call IMF. Enye no bi na nasi ene no there is a problem on my ewiase nyina ye solve. And the IMF for my is coronavirus fund no ono eno no de and I say it is not managed by the government. Okay. A private sector based management. And this and now we one city. Ekoto fund ni mo enko Akufo-Addo ho. Okay. Ya set managers a omo manage sesika no. Aban so e woni de a oye. Eno ne aban side but ena me no ka say sa fund no mo twa ne de Akufo-Addo the former chief justice. He is the chairman of that fund.
Abraham say me tell we no chede. In your position no the lifting of the band is good.
You see, good. But ultimately, kasa ni nyina. You see, expert akasa, expert akasa in right. You know, makes good because good. No, bad the economy wise. Okay. Say okay, good because companies good. You know, lifting of the band. No, I know interest. Yadi and wefi virus ni mu. Enu nti okay obi ankoya de oyede ope mesre minuanu ndc for no ade na aba na omupa so omoye no te say blame game chinchina achi Akufo-Addo must fail in the fight against coronavirus no one breath o say ade na yede aba no yede wia 2020 abam ye yi free on so the same ndc o say politically motivated decision so they should be consistent in their comment
ora Nicholas wona on so unclear hono unclear ni position for mam. At first now Uraraka there loophole no awesome. But Mr. Obarima ba opare Erika Sasisiano actually in your position no not lockdown no lockdown no a ban way free no oye into what stance no ba na at the point no zama daddy yes na yemfa o point no enhihaya esusu there aban enche onye na one good a mutwa no mo for chow Mama, it's a wide show.
My brother.
New.
Say ship,
New.
or door. Obiara to me saving. At my side. A sinking ship. Nobody can save a sinking ship. Martini. I can't send be there. In the da or ye no man paying. Ushia or ye Ghana Medical Association.
One executive members.
One executive members. One do one arguing through. At my side. Or catch one day. The Mazina Maye. Inti mwe biara wa one farm boa in their own capacity and as an association.
But I say read the article now. Or only one year deliberations and so
on. Only one year deliberations. One bit. Enyima go. Listen. Only one year or you could onya no kwa tolipa or chichira so ya no man paying.
Na what fact I want in there?
Me fact am woni.
Was according to the article.
The article that you read, a pa mama member ni hina. Na read the article ni there. O man paying onye oye medical association dwena ho ansana. Oye the lifting of the lockdown now. There is nowhere in the article or chere o man paying or yes stakeholder consultation before obe lift the ban. Nti o chichira so yawo. Ono ye kore ebien. Now experts are why the medical association one director said that why express disappointment in the president.
A bit is a wine.
And in Professor Bedu Akosa. Search for it. My producers one farm more. Professor Bedu Akosa, the former GNA board chairman. Also president, why you want Usani there, the rate at which oye adzen Yaruban or Kosono, they were expecting the measures would, if not stay far, it be a measures obey more. Only a 1, 2. Share on the excuse. This I am saying it. I'm using your medium to say it. The Ghana for one oil president. When it comes to the Sika Wenya with regards to management and control of this very disease. Ghana for mo fin jagor because oil conductor nkofu what about with cash. Messi oil conductor nkofu what about with cash. Messi Messi Dubio Messi oil conductor nkofu what about with cash. Onunti and the minority in parliament was seeking for transparency. Atimasa in the expenditure of this oil budget what we seeking on your ebien motor dubio me brother kade ejuma rugu that is also another a ploy a kohua what divert yen sika what for baby aba asem na waka kire budget na wa approve no parliament. What are the basis for the approval of this budget? We could be at ho what's about support or your SMEs. Nazi Motia Kachamre onya no kwar. Where are you telling me the business collapse? Stimulus package has been made, has been put there for Njuma. Now, appear one crop will producers, let them go round. One friend Njuma, Njuma hen president and our money yabosa one fee. Ibo who there for come to a group on what we see.
It's a brand of Wakasa there or Bay. Bana, I am a jet and about or to the
my brother. My brother. Abua Waka or Danewa, Ehuna, and call you as I with you. Onuntina Messagana for won't be one in your pa. No one shall banning when it comes to the expenses of COVID-19. Atimasa. Share, my brother, Mamma San call you. Look at something. My brother MPP ni no ochre oh yeah, what do you call it? NDC. NDC. No. Ye kade or ye kwana warfado by my general secretary.
Sure.
Nkaman kasa no but I will answer him.
Yes.
Yes. Enyi bibia. Check my producers one check bill. Fact checks in the ha. NDC advised the president close the borders immediately. Sabil. Oman penyin oye de usisi na aso ya. Also on team away see. 3 weeks and sana. Now during the 3 weeks, check what the EC also announced. Check what was happening with Eastern region. It was a clear conduit. What's by Wanazi? Hence the statement from NDC through our General Secretary.
Okay. Ira. Sir, me say what's American not today. Abra
at that time.
As that
what to the phone? What to say, baby?
No, not today. Oyen Shishaya. What's that? Jenny, the word China Yerbana ba. Na what that from office kana. Who there? No. Ewa. Eko Abransa. Mana na bi ni krom wa hayara. O se yentwon bunya. Na san ya yakoko.
An ye wo yakoko dada yentwon bunya. Now this has been a clear opportunity. Why I am saying this is that there has not been a bit transparency in the distribution of foods. Food staff what chiche idibana what chiche wazima or your lockdown areas and nanimu no on that. And people said it. In fact, at a point in time, people were compelled to make a statement. Me MP, Honorable Dr. Zenato Rawlings, made a statement, which a statement no. The beneficiaries of the food nankasa na worry ye there. Odru baby no what say show your party affiliation identity before they will give you the food. Only your 1 2. Sabio Ghana for 1 year prisoners. Ghana for now lockdown or you 1 year prisoners. For you to give them that at Roma why the dining is mana anuya Sabio na eze bibia podolo na eze kama one. Give them the raw food to eat. To cook for their family, because if the quantum of the amount what allocated for the 400 million people, is it 400,000 people? Now if she sika butana odadwa masa was some kwane dread.
Now and this day ya nyimpa before yen subana no ebiana penyina owoso no we release as no nyimpa na or ye caterer na another nyimpa na or take care na or ye na why you want to hwehwem ahwe bibia dam course na ofi beya
enyim bibia
pocho menyim ti say
mo tene dey abana agency say do to ho the hwana no wo be che eduban no o say nadmo no wo be che eduban no nadmo and other yimite dey chi no ka de napcofo can be of help na ade ono ye one faith-based organizations so ubutum na wachebi na ate. But at the end of the day, a minister of state, awo ame yana ye good name hey yezi yana coins you tia ne kaw mo ye na akese sambambala saman say we don't trust, they have no faith. One trust the local leaders, i.e. the assemblymen. Inti Sabio, awa chehin. Ame amete apramodo. Ibotum efi sekune. Na abechrem ehiafo awa apramodo. What is this? But then yenya abani ne minister, whole gender minister, telling the whole Ghana assemblymen there wunzinukwa. Therefore, we don't trust you. Google, my own coffee one check and one way. On untina dimano, yan then, yan find someone in son. But in Sabio, or you're prudent. There, what the best assemblyman of one because I want no able to identify in your far or your areas. Mutia. Yes, and that is because Pada water. Ora Nicholas Nyanki, secretary, Kwesimintim 620 ma NDC. Ena okasa no, wakasa fine pa na man read mo comment ni bia waba mo hwe. It's better now. Amabudua Elizabeth who na follow information in wa papa ne papa aka baby am missing there chichiwore at anti wiki mana matinim. Kojo
Kwedu Kojo Sam. Osi, Opari, you have done a great job. Amabudu, a great show, Kojo. Thank you. Kojo Sam, you wear your marks. Ekura and a crash and marks. Ekura and a crash. PK Junior, we message mehu. Ewia, yabaka want some later. Isa Fuseni, if you kuma, good show. Keep it up, Opari. Thank you, bro. Amabudu, a massive production. Ideas GATV. God bless you all. God bless you too. Replying to PK Junior, Idea JTV also please no insult. Aha, yeah. Bibiara, me penny funera. What's one was it? And to Abraham Opari. Sisiano. Demusike ya wabi. IMF loan ya wabi. Obisi music can be so there. The donations na was urban. Donation no ebe na adze na wodi bia ye. Chechirem na obi hu. Ana sikasi siaso waji. Obaye den obaban kwa na bofado. Na we use scan. Obi na sembi so sembi sam.
Me nua me da papa ensem bebre abetwem ko en baye kasamanfo e ma ban ene me party na se mitimi yi bia no se na be ya enkoye te se ye betu mfuturu e de agu ye kan se mframa musa. You see se na bidi kan no NDC for akere se me hu ne se omu ni Ghana ho do but omu de be score political point enko ano mo ka se enye ne sa ho a anka me hu the essence of say yare abane ye nyina ye try say ye be resolve na NDC for say etikufu adokura aduane o chekura party cards and at the end me nua wo TV say not Rollins and patches not Rollins on yes CBP no NDC
Ghana for
oh pachoa
MDC bara Ghanaian
ye no yen no put any problem me come ansem so say aduane a ye che no ye the party card na che wo TV wo diwe no mu che aduane wo hu nipa egu o nipa
sure
enti just say we you card na wa kire okay NDC and MPP okay MPPJ NDC ko you see this kind of lies and fabrications because ye power 2020 ye kan sem bia ne ngu aban hu fi eye fe be bia ni was AC here I know say there are some MPs omo akasa eno omo aduane na MP ano na aduane na anasa an aspirant won say yi parliamentary aspirant both NDC and MPP. And you say obi anu na aduane no ofili say mimi MPP ni na manuel aduane am ne ko che wo ba bia ya lock down na person me fam MPP for do you attribute that to a government a year enye no creda aban eche aduane na ya no
as an MP you are for the constituent you are not for MPP if they o enwia aban do MP
what's up say erekandama no sure as an MP say
you are for your constituent
what to abanama
you are for your constituent
manji manu nsi bone me ka say MP sa no mo ye me kire say individual me bo aspirants
okay
me bo ye kan say MPs me bo me apo pare am ye MPP ni say me am pese me nua medua na me fa nche MPP wa bibia nsi me ho kwan but men fa sa de na individuals be no you see ye kan say Veronica Bucket here amuchi you see MPP aspirant or the MPP logo abon NDC aspirant or the NDC aspirant this or the NDC logo abon you see whether it is right or not and only yan judgment but don't attribute that to government in India or yan holistically say or the boa ade ni nyina they make am whether right or not right in the yan kasa yeti ani etiefo omo hwe program won dey judge but men kasa because of individual be here na ade aniti o dey sha aban say be aban na ebibi sa na say water bill na ye free aban afar for 3 months no me pacho eno so ye beji NDC card na MPP card and say ye tiana so it doesn't come in pacho me for manu si e wonyema bi hu ni ade enti sa say be entro bi say ni ade a umudi ni ade no omo fan to be the fight the enemy now is the virus it is not about the NDC or say e ade a ye to say ye be wi o man Ghana sika on the founder o kan ye say ye be den ya spend you see me say team catch you say Sasikaya Ebay, it is not going to be managed by the finance minister, nor the president, or nor the government. A individual, a private sector initiative, a binary set it up, led by the former chief justice. Unless you want to tell me that a former chief justice made me a D. Fansa, You can't say in comfort abe donate, which me I don't believe in that because a chief justice over some of my don't me and yes I did say what questions be near idea BBC yeah we should get closer to you can't say this private sector managers managers are the no you be some into details because mind you after coronavirus Auditor General is going to audit every penny. Every penny. Abaya aspenny. Say a banner to say, ye bro operate 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. One fan could check the other way, dear. You know, sir, Auditor General will surcharge me. I'll face the laws of this country. And now, you're fighting coronavirus. I bet you, this is not the time, and I'm going to be disika, and I'm going to be say, and you know, we should, say, okay, and fire Kufado and Nazareth. You see, or can we be said, I'm my advice, and my buying say, I'm one year back, you see, if you advice in the back. Mama yeti asese yen kofa China for mo China nyinambra. That was one of your advice.
In China.
Yes. Akufo-Addo ne expert tena se no mo se da bi. Ye hwa ade na China ban na kasa kra tufu se ehun hia se ye don beba sisi a.
It is not true.
You see, countries are omo pre omo kofa omo crofo buy no. What is the trend now? Adi omo nsem. It is ankrofo ye kofa omo buy anka no nima bia ewo. You see, aban na bon ho modin ye pa. Me pa twa ye research ni ye. The whole Africa, yaka country, I hear a lot of testing. Me no kasina ye number 68,000. Yeah, we are the leading African country in terms of testing. And the more you test, the more you record more cases. You see, one of the funniest comments, I don't know whether it's true or not. Beside one country say, discover cases here. My idea, no, say no. They haven't discovered any cases because any testing. But my Ghana contact tracing our banya ye and yasam ketwa. And you see, idea ye nyinano to make sure say ye be go down to the people and you see I say about testing near them. And this case of abano idea ye or the discard idea 68,000 tests. Is it a small thing?
But sodium 9.
It's not a small thing. It's not a small thing. Ghana Medical Association, dear okay. Is it Ghana Medical Association when Tia comment a general secretary make or say, money a buy a dinkita also de bia. Nemo, if you post mutu a buying for it is born on the abine say as some kind obefa and that's why the offer. But the decision a buying taking almost is to say it is in the best interest of Ghana. Me pamucho mo ye bibi to say UK I lockdown. US, I lockdown. It's Ghana, and lockdown. We are not the same.
It is best interest in Ghana.
We are not the same. And you know, this kind of way for a year lockdown. We are not the same as a country. US has a strong database. I never know because so almost check Obia even 100 Ghana cities. They have a data of sending each and every citizen of US 100 Ghana. Can we do same in Ghana?
Mr. Yankee,
brother. No. Share common answer some. Na MPP for pada wanye Ghana for 1 year easy. Only. My brother all can say be the Ghana na Africa. In the world Africa. Ya ye testing pa.
Is it true?
The whole Africa. Per the I wanna yarabani bi akeka won. Hwana no what top. Wo Ghana ha. Wo Africa ha.
Yarabia.
Into asem no can it is zero. You see it? I'm not can it is zero. Repeat. Let me repeat. The whole Africa, one I don't know what top. Well, in terms of cases, no, in
terms of testing. We are the leading. And you see, I made a point. Say, the more you test, the more cases you recover. Because if you are making test 1,000, mind you, 1,000 now test. Every day you record 10 cases out of the 1,000. Yes, but I'm just giving you more.
I'm reading my seminar. So the more you I to be making comments. This is a good citizen. I'm people outside them. Ye, or make a comment to be. Now, me catch please no insults. But PK Junior, you have shown maturity. Also, sorry, but I just said he's not convincing me that the topic people brought. But sorry if it sounded like such. PK Junior, Yajatum, apologies accepted.
Mami PK Sports Junior. Oh, okay, good. my brother mama can send me show anyen Ghana for na Africa ha ye top into the issue of so much testing yeah it is zero ono yem fan to ho moto do bio my brother I am telling you and I am still on it today dam oye sika bisa de sika na wajeje no wo he wa ka che de sika no nye oye aban ho
wo fasami hold on na menye opinion bi orbasisi na mabisa wa asam no do mesa ka Sami wo Cape Coast or Yes FM wo fasami in a short minute wo fasami mam update wo abazan record say ya.
Okay, my friend said that when I watch I did DVGs in the other place. Maybe just because we need to go to Crava. Okay. Now the plane I wish to go to Crava. That's I can reach my tomb. I am out in sun. So you will be more. Now I am there, and you walk outside. So if I walk away, I don't quite it. I don't look at one. Besides, when you're going to feed the nine, and another. My break up in the chin, and they would say, son, or a son. The end of the way in the Ashan Canafa. What did she say? I always say to my tomb. I shouldn't, but one by buying there. And now what is I there? Abandon offer, as someone to 1 hour in can, what being one see baby,
Cape Coast for an asthma work on your day. When your quarantine area or what? In California, as no about quarantine on you.
No, bye. Nana once why I decided it is true in that work. I have some far no quality now.
And so, no, says I don't penny for what to the MP in penny for no Abanshana one wire.
Mr. Honorable Kwame Duncan. I say, I the house, original head director. Why can what the map we are intervention, another regional hospital, our friend intervention. Say every up to another Susano will be one. Was in the book, and after what time. No, I say, there, Mamma, or ye in your part in Zinka, was he, they have a June on today and call. That's something now, however, William was a woman, and Kumpo Yaza about
okay, Wapa Sami, and Tanta Maradono, na, say Sarah no, Esha, I'm advice there, nose marks on ye, Zaoka Kahono, obey here, Esha, Uguamon Mua, another central region where, and she shall bend and coffee and coffee nose marks and pa. We use
nose marks on it. Wash it.
Wash it.
In a wash it. What's a demo, what kind of what chubby? What chubby Israel? I got to me. That's one. Israel have it. Ghana. I am crushed. On your crush crowd. If you want to wash it.
Mama Minyan and Tamana, Minkomana, Minimpe, freezing in there, or Papa and Tamamian and Tamaminja, Nimbum, Asamija, Winemo, Central Development Youth, our abroad. Eben as an away, Matilda Waka support to be I am Bobby.
I look why Azuma, I think you want to my young one dream. CTYA will go be a manazation of war. One would the Dama COVID-19 Wabaya, Barca in the mobile yesterday for me. And what you walk along with Zama and Moo and why I hope you come. What about the saying in the full hour Almina and Tranwa Epon or Capus. Then someone or share I painful by or Hana number. It's I have CD why what am I? Kept go to
okay. Wafa nyame yadoma ochina so mafro na yisi abotare izin komo tantanare and the place me pay for me not to komo no. All right, masam das papa. Enti masan bechi baba opanyina wanu gwa asam do erika.
Wanu gwa asam do. Miji kan me kan bibi there. Oye sikana aban foto na aban
boy to one
no ho asem na America wana na ohwedo sikana wana na ohwedo ye nya ahen
sikana do do wa
ahen fa na wodi sikan the usage
barama pare wa nti dia obobo hen na
nti America ne there minority NDC will be sane there ni munda ho pefe ni munda ho pan because ye nyimu one obane tara water
man no munda wo.
Atimasa, more so for the family and friends. Family and friends. Abani waka ye family and friends. Trace the linkage of the former AG. Na young president.
AG, right.
The next year I will.
Atimasa. Ono ye 1, 2. IMF wo brain ahen $1 million.
Yes.
Atimasa. World Bank. Mijimiji the rapid eyibiso sikebiso aba anyana nkasa yana approval aye wo parliament ono so ni sika wo ho na the donors nkakran krofo so jeje na ati.
What do you suggest?
CCRA why you close down lifting. What happens to those amounts? Who knows? Ono ne yeribisa. Who knows?
Okay.
What happens?
Okay.
And ame ehu hwe my brother musuma otasman Ghana ame na awo na nchiruma titir because stabilization fund order ho sikapuduo ba tan papa na oye owura Mahama oja doto ho nkrofi was one sa akobom nyambom pa yenu amber ti do oja nka nchiruma woni sikei heritage fund what the one sa akobom water ono sa aka ho what the oye IMF dia won ko IMF we win one from IMF na sabi oya me brother ka asem bia etu susu awa etu susu wa hin yemfa ne da motu susu wo A bank e kaje bosia wo B bank mo ye enti what is the mama can there
what sikano why scanner wa aba kan sisi ano na fund that I don't know that one susu there one even kwana one fado na one ye
e kwana one fado no se parliament atre e kwana one fado. But ne ninzi no mamen kare ninzi no na ame
na ninzi na
atimasa
inzi no chema na e kan inzi de mana why you don't know automatically was once a buma na de
I want ni
okay kwana wa fado yin
damon krofi obani sikasama awon no nyane nchiche you use the term nchiche what takrade yen nkasema not chere sen woti
ninzi no
what tell
okay anwara
atimasa because look at the amount I will try to ho dima oye only 2 regions so sahin oye Asante region, Greater Accra, and then parts of oye Central region amount ni ahin masa obrunta do look at the daily amount what's what the feed in Crawford masa Crawford still Waham, Warakasa there.
I think this topic needs to be continued.
Into my Canada, my brother, my Canada, urban NPP, transparency, financial transparency, or your opaque.
Yeah, and I'm a parasha when you eat them. Remember, why Ben cry? My young and Tamna yet for you for film. Sikano, Eben Coneba for now for you to them questions of a corner and some. Say in case that's a yerbano, or sounds so many would be a even she say na ehwa bana do ye
na she say
menua bedase papa atiefo amfanche say yare dom ni ade na sabi entro bia ense yedi na menua ndc ni ti ano ede odi na family and friends ni ade we nyina ye no kre nti mesrew saa entro ni ade na odi na why very careful you see me can say fanda eye ye twa to ho no. It is being managed by a private sector. Abai ni hu twake bia.
Which sector? Private sector.
An instituted you can say agency I say bia
who appointed who appointed her
goodwill
who appointed her
when you onyam o man wetin man Chief Justice, former Chief Justice. So person can tell me say former Chief Justice obi to say John Dramani mo ultimate Ford ni ade no wa wasem enu ya asema me ka so person can tell me say a teacher for mu da fund na no betimi adi a enu ya wa wasem but me kasa bibi na me tell say these are a teacher or mu da ade na no it is a wo say mu bedi a me ni only problem but at the end of the day me can be say auditor general will audit every penny
checks and balances
ni ade nyina president ka say bi o say ye wo akadie ani aban we expect ye betimi dia bring the economy back but nipa na obewu no due to coronavirus ye ni measures means bia ye betimi de nipa kro ne kwai de ababa say na say me nuanom NDC for mo ndwene ho and na we have ska and na we have say already trade union congress omo omo de ba omo applaud the president for this initiative for aba aban ade ba aban tindai Yema insuo free for 3 months. Yema electricity free for 3 months. Stimulus package. Yema companies ni adie. These are all in Yama aban di gu akwemu se ebe yena ekrofo benya bibia de ade. Yema nkrofo aduane ampa ebi benya bi ebi nya bi ufie krapo party ayfro wa ayfro kra wa ya nipa kakre bi aba. Obitimi ba na aduane ba ya krapo menya aduane ni bi. Etimi si Etino yaba stress sadie we nyina it will come but let's advise ubetina na ka wa advise Ghana for say yes ramo o so that nose mask if bi she ohronsa for semina ye per sanitizer ibi na fa ye wonsa ni ade these are our advice and away this car and away this car just a mere allegations are nyina so bia ye de enim ni ade Ghana for munya rehemu say his excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo utie Nigeria for no Nigeria citizen Tisi omo bu Akufo-Addo abaso ase omo pese Buhari po ba bonte be ka bibi po kire o Buhari mba measures Akufo-Addo de took akwan mu omo pese Nigeria po nye bi po keke Nigeria enye pa oman Ghana nyama Akufo-Addo ye no agi omo nsem enti aman foforo so po applaud yen president say nyama oje no eye nyama papa e betimi ama oman Ghana ya de yen ho afi sa virus we mu how much more yen Ghana for because we want to score political point in yen ye bibia bi say ye dey aban be more 68,000 case ye can say testing for within 2 weeks or 3 weeks aya ufani you think it's a joke best says kana abano epanifo omo fa ye can so omo hu oman Ghana mobo no mo spend this kind judiciously ebetimi aboa ama oman no nisuade hunu say ye was say ebetimi making sure say ebetimi etu yare ase no ebetimi dey etu ase because I know say at the end of this virus the Auditor General Dumlevo Onaye is going to make sure say skebi the man ankrenkre bia no each and every person will account for that money. Now there dem sure kwai betima fight and NDC MPP original na keka
the last one Mr. Nicholas Aki wrap up na
me brother me de man no de be wie yi no ma me brother ken sabi why am today anadwo man na asem kakra dom level and the Auditor General nde wo be man kwana nde wo be MPP be man kwana ma wa ye na edwuma. There has been a precedence. Pape we kotue sika pape wa kan ho asama awon ankasa wa ye bibi wo chase pape in the way. That is 1 2. Oya me do papa de na lankasa. Na wie yi nsemen. O to for there. Or pacha de sika no wan ye den wo manage ni ye mutua.
What was your question?
Is
advice
me woman. So no. No. Messi etufo. No, the way I can advise is etufo. That is na lankasa.
Your question to me is what is my advice to those who are who are managing the fund? So is it wrong? Into ni advice.
Obi awalankasa say oye formal yi dey. Si say etufo do be discuss.
Advice the one of sika no one.
Ma Mary Canada, Sikanezi, Ame, Marankasa, Jizzy, why today, Wonam, a day jamwa, Ebano Ataribi. Wobeti be. Wobeti. Namum, if you show they shouldn't do anything to impede the Auditor General. What I know they will do. I know NPP as a government will do.
I know that NPP as a government will do.
Let's say we are
Mama we are today. Operation is doing very well for the MPP. Asian Kwesi Nunu. Kwame Ike FCA constituency. I don't think NDC led by John Mahama have something better to offer we Ghanaians looking at the crucial moments that we are in as a country. All what they know is doing politics with this pandemic. NDC should be serious for once and respect we Ghanaians. Let's all pray for this government for good handling of this pandemic. No, we should send him WhatsApp message there. Nah, I think what I will do is that I'm going to send them the topics that we're going to discuss. Into feeder, exclusively feeder for the week. Ni na mnyimpa nyufo bi na mnyomba ba na feeder no. Yitum na ya bibia tofa. Feeder no, they follow this topic. Na ya kwhwe TUC for one asama worker. Na mezekro aka ho oyem there. Aban rege there private sector no, especially obo pesike bi na oza mo ho na wo so waboa nti ye bahwe na yidizi ho nkomo so bi na mo soro kra no mama obarima pare fa na last words mam na ya
menu am das papa Ghana for omo share ideas TV yare na aba no dia betena ha ye kaminu NDC ni person ye no odi bibia so Akufo-Addo se Akufo-Addo na embo no modern no waka ne de ko ba mesrew nkwa ehye wa nsem yemfa nhyehyeye a aban ne ayi doctors e de atodwa no so mesre ebinim first ne say yare we no enka ebibifo enne research am ya tia say eka ebibifo eku ebibifo because o man Ghana ya record death de e wo man Ghana enti no ye besre mo ye wie virus yi hu nyina ye ye beko yen party ye beko ye twa bi obetwa bi wa yon so ntwi twa bi so wa obetima num koku so be de obenum koku enti mesre mo say baby a ye duru no unsa be so bibia mu uwi akwana kwa hunsa na fa wo de seminar de sanitize alcohol based one ye fa den ye fa papa yensa president ni guso a odi nyama egu akwam na minim say nyama a odi gu akwam no saa yare dom a ye korankro ne ade yi ye be firim enne o se water bill ye ntua nti mpacho wo fie nsuo ba wo mu na fie wura wo so why wadwen say no na wo di kakra ban say ye free because wo so nkotua ka electricity almost effective May and also you be free for your kind of customers are ye poor and now 50% for here can you using there was through there ekakra it's your best stress you know your families are buying their children I know say this one too shall pass
mpacho mamudu twa iguane there sisi arabana ya there obi aramfa ne nkrabia nhye ne nsem eyi mo kitami aban se ye momozen ye nhye bia ye will be we are not used to until ye best said that yen hohoro yen nsa ho na yen tetew yen ntem that is the magic na mum sikaneze minim da wo better
sikaneze minim da wo better enyo my last batch of messages o say AK Studios photography is watching and the pen many impanyimfo again enyimzefo benu na we educating our IGG TV Minifado, ye Oberema Ba Opari Regional Communication Team member, Zima, New Patriotic Party, the ruling government. And now, Brother Penny Nicholas Yankee, NDC, Questioning Team Secretary, and member of the Regional Communication Team. And now, Mini Penny Free, Tricky and Como. Yes, in the form of your gen, the locked down about Wamadui, the pros and cons, and now in Shabia. Or the IMF Sikano, Yaka say pa is home common ambum, Fidaze, ye bet in the form, now you are finishing all exclusively. Ochina and a pa fully solely sanitation information. Into Ochina, Yame Yadama Sabaka, honorable and cancer, our new site area. 1 year about the south if you come south or east, west, if you come west, honorable or from
new site
into Mr. Aka pictures in the videos on about that same also original na wa hwe sisi road na abayi road no mpi ahwe my road na wi no so bobo na sanitation no wakodo nti obiara ombo na wan yi mpanyifo bi no na foto de man na kokoro wonsa hwe nose mask no especially public gathering what's more one year sisi anso dafo wasate wo prepare pado dem from na wo change mabasa na wo abochinku bujenku soldier for start that watching kofo nti se ja ho na watch ho a wara o wara Jumezin has been Nsemsem ama buduwa na ozebro wa ahwe ne papa nti da pani na no mara kodwaza me be na mafa egwono na meze ama no maka cho de se ewo wiaza na aka yemu de achara biara no owo na afi ne kwan no owo danara abo ano ara no bowie bibia maka asem meze cho de nyimpa enyi ne tena wo reason common hwe ne yei na ba no wo hoyi onyi asonkoten osanso wo enyiwa the world have ears and they can also see Nyami show biara, but mustn't share ideas GATV. I bring in ara. Could you as I am be na Mr. Jumezi no chame. Mr. Chekasema MP Honorable Joseph Kudu. Eshe Jumezi Ike ena Oman Penin ena Ghana bia. Meda Ora Nicholas Yankee ase na Oberema Ba or Pariso ase. Messenger God bless Mara my country Ghana. Na ye nare yunso na ye nyimpa na ye ya obeye. Ideas GATV Nsemsem Ochinana pa, the best in Asia. But I want to say bye bye.